My teeth are a bit crooked. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Ah! The teeth are so dirty. Brush them clean first. Spit out the foams when you rinse your mouth. Check the teeth. Drag the machine and aim at the stars to take a picture. The teeth are all crooked. Corrective treatment with braces is needed. Cleaning gels can make teeth smoother. Clean away the dirty gel. Put the brackets in the right place. Attach wire to the teeth. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Straighten the wire and your teeth will become even. Put the rubber band in the right place. Treatment is finished. Put on braces and the teeth will be in perfect alignment after a while. Thank you, Doctor. Brush your teeth regularly, even after you put on braces, so that your teeth can stay clean and even. Amazing! You've got a badge of even teeth! Badges collected can be displayed here. My teeth really hurt. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. There's plenty of dental calculus. Break it with ultrasonic wave first. Rinse the teeth clean with a water gun. Clean away the dirty water. Let's find out which tooth works wrong. Found it! You are awesome! This tooth is seriously decayed, so it hurts badly. Root canal therapy is needed. Dig out the black cavity in the decayed tooth first. Remove the damaged nerve cells in the decayed tooth so it won't hurt. Eliminate swelling with potion gun. Drag the bottle to fill the tooth with fillings. The tooth is filled. You are awesome! Polish the decayed tooth so it can fit well with the new dental crown. Put on a dental crown you like. Treatment is complete. The teeth are all repaired to be super strong. Thank you, doctor! Remember to rinse your mouth after meals and brush your teeth carefully so you will not have dental calculus or cavities. You're great! Here's a badge of hard false tooth for you. Badges collected can be displayed here. Oh, doctor, my teeth hurt badly. Let me check your teeth. Open your mouth. Ah! Put on mouth gag and check the gums. The gums are a bit swollen. Anti-inflammatory treatment is needed. Apply potion to wounds and swelling. Drag the machine to check the teeth. 2 decayed teeth are found. These 2 decayed teeth have small cavities. Dental filling treatment is needed. Dig out the black cavities first. There are a lot of bacteria coming from the cavities. Get rid of them quickly. Clean your teeth with water. The cavities are all cleaned up. Fill the cavities with fillings. Make the fillings hard with Blu-ray. The cavities are filled. Now polish the teeth. Treatment is complete. The bad bacteria are gone and the dirty cavities are filled. Thank you, doctor. Remember to brush your teeth every day and rinse your mouth after meals so you will not get cavities. Wow, you've earned a badge of dental filling.